right, well, ladies and gentlemen, is anybody excited to be in Las Vegas this morning? We got folks from literally all over the place that are here to grow, to learn, to get after it. Welcome to the Practice Growth Summit.
I am Andrea Lansford, and I work for the Scheduling Institute, soon to be Practice Growth Institute, and I run all of our events. We are an event business. We put on 100 plus events a year on our own. We have our own internal teams that do events. We know how to plan these. We know how to do them. But yet we still want to pull and elevate because of the different perspective they can bring into our events. And it just makes it so much more seamless when we are trying to pull that event together. There's a confidence there that Billy and team will be there for you. It's really a no-brainer for us now. We won't do any of our big events without them, even though it's something that we consider ourselves experts at. We have hired Billy just as a speaker, so one-off. He's got great topics and probably the most interactive and engaging talks that you can build in for all age ranges, all type of clients. So we've used him in our teen programs. We've used him for our clients who are all doctors. We've used him for some other programs where it's like hygienists and assistants from dental practices, that kind of thing. And he just is able to relate to all those crowds. His topics are moldable into all of those areas. We've used Elevate to help us plan some of those events. So our teen events, we really want those to be a bang and have the whole gamut from DJ and games and an MC in each room and all of that. And so we've worked together both virtually to create that experience virtually and to do it live. Billy just came and emceed our event in Vegas, and we had 1,300 attendees, and Vegas is wild. And of course we go through a run of show that goes like this. This is going to happen at 8, 8:05, 8:17, 8:33. And of course by like 8:25, the whole show changes and Billy just flows with it. He's able to take what is said on stage and the feel of the audience and tie everything together for us without me having to coach him on it or tell him what to say. Once we get going and we've gone through what my vision is for the event and how I want things to flow and what I want the audience to feel and what I want the speakers to feel and what I want the audience to feel from the other speakers, he's able to just get up there and make magic. Billy understands what it means to have clients and what it means to create an experience for them, and true to your name, an elevated experience for them. And so another host just gets up there to introduce the next speaker or to say the funny joke or whatever that may be. But Billy gets up there with intention to make sure that everything is at a higher level and that the people in the audience understand why they're there and what they're supposed to take away. It's like he's a part of our team. No one knows that Billy doesn't work with us, When I work with you guys, I don't question anything. I have full confidence that the decisions that are made, maybe when I can't be there to say what needs to happen, the right choice is made.